Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we're gonna see the game of Balatro review. After a long week and looming pressure of finals, diving into a rewarding game is often the perfect remedy. That's how Balatro, a single-player poker game, stole my attention in my late-night hours. With over 10 hours of gameplay already under my belt, I can confidently say I'm hooked. Balatro reshapes traditional poker into a strategic, high-stakes experience. Players face increasing point thresholds, known as blinds, and craft poker hands to beat these challenges, but forget the classic deck of 52. Here, the cards are enhanced with tarot cards and jokers, game changers, what provide multipliers, special power-ups, and extra cash to invest in more jokers. With 150 unique jokers, each possessing distinct abilities, the decision-making is intense, because players can only hold 5 jokers per run, leading to nail-biting choices about which one to keep the risk, swapping for potentially better centuries. These combinations demand experimentation, and that pursuit of perfection is what kept me up until 1 a.m. night after night. Balatro is not for the faint of heart because it has 8 levels of per round, 8 difficulty stakes, and 15 unlockable desks. After 10 runs, averaging an hour each, I've only managed to beat the game once, and that was just the start. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.